Here I have a Bali outdoor fire pit. It works off of propane, just like a regular gas grill. It has this burner tube. It's usually surrounded by glass beads. I cleaned them all out to replace them, but this end popped out. It's supposed to be tied to this. There's like a little spot weld like over here, but that weld came free, so it just kind of floats up, and then as the glass beads kind of break, the shards get jammed, so it just keeps working its way higher, and you can never push it back down without like taking out all the beads. But I'm going to attempt to fix it, to re-tie it to this strap using a coat hanger. So I'm gonna have to like kind of do it in stages, so I won't be able to like show the progress. Just different steps. Here I've removed the metal strap and set it aside, so I'm going to try to get the piece of coat hanger underneath that and then wrap it around the burner tube to keep it down. Here I've started flattening out a piece of coat hanger to have this piece part here go into the strap, and then I'll just bring the extra coat hanger up over the top of the tube. Now I have the wire underneath the metal strap. The strap's back. The tube's still up out of place, but I'll push it down now. It's supposed to stay like that, and then I'll wrap the tube up over it, and then get it cut off or break off the excess. You don't have to worry if you don't have a tool that will cut coat hanger, because you just have to bend it back and forth and it'll break pretty easy. So I started twisting the coat hanger around it. Definitely seems like it's gonna hold it in place. So I was gonna finish twisting it and then bend it over and then cut off the extra. Here I have it pretty much bent over. I just cut off the extra and then bent over the sides, and then I'm gonna finish tucking it all the way down. I've bent it around underneath all the way. Hopefully it won't interfere with the little pinholes in the burner. Now I just have to replace the glass beads, and then I'll test it out tonight to see how it looks. Here now, it's all the glass beads are back with new, and I replaced them with some new and new old. They split up after a while. They like kind of just won't crack. I guess this little grill thing here, that little like air vent, has to be left uncovered. Here it's lit up and working. It's a little hard to see, but I'll get a better piece of video at night.